Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Sceptre monitor and opening its OSD, on-screen display, menu. This is where power saving lives. Press the menu or enter button directly on the bezel. You want to access settings now because the power saving toggle is inside. If you see a quick menu, navigate to the main settings. If not, press menu repeatedly until options appear. Make sure input is correct so the monitor isn't switching sources and appearing to sleep while you work. Once inside the OSD, navigate to power or energy saver settings. That's the how and why. These controls enforce sleep. Use arrow keys to highlight the power submenu, then press enter. Look for options like power saving, auto sleep, or ECO mode and note current values. You should change the setting from on or auto to off or disabled so the monitor stops dimming or sleeping prematurely. Make sure to apply or save changes before exiting, otherwise the old behavior persists. You finish by saving changes and exiting the OSD, then testing. Leave the screen idle for a minute to confirm it no longer enters power saving. If it still sleeps, make sure your PC display power settings aren't overriding the monitor. Also try a different cable or input. If menus won't accept changes, perform a factory reset, but document originals first so you can restore them. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and ports to rule out faulty signal causing perceived.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.